Well, hello YouTube, here we are, we're back again at the bird hide. As you can see, DX Expedition number 4, Portishead Coast. This is the portbury bird hide on the Portishead Coast. What we did this time, because obviously there's the door missing before, we made our own door there. We put our label in for the expedition. And we've applied it with a few drawing pins. There you go, it's covering the door there. Perfect. So what we've done this time, that's one change, is we've got the door covered. This time we're using the Baofeng UV82L, plugged into the outside antenna, the Nagoya NL770H.
Paul. Bloody freezing out there.
And let's go outside onto the hide, which we'll show you shortly.
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Power station in the way it is.
5 metres of RG58.
We've got a new road somewhere. Where's that new road?
RG8
Bloody key lock.
There's the antenna.
Oh, here goes adverts again.
Connected into the old UV82. We'll show you the antenna outside shortly. Just make a call onto 433-400.
An ambulance going down to the East Royal.
I'm going to give Kevin MW3 IQE. MW3 IQE from M6STL. You reading?
So it must be, see him all the time there, so it must be excited to see him going up an hill. It must be that power station hill, look. It's actually coming down here now, he is.
He's on the Zello at the moment.
So, yeah.
MW3 IQE from M6STL.
Oh, shit, an advert keeps coming up on here all the time. Don't know what it is. Oh, shit, this Amazon something. Delete all that crap out there, wouldn't it?
No, he's not coming back at the moment.
Can't get it off now. Shit, little pop-up adverts keep coming up on here, was
M6STL.
I know some of you only have things. You know, you buy something off eBay from like Mr. Chang or something. Always firm. And you can sign up on newsletters, and now and again they send different things that's going on, like what they sell in cheap and he comes up and goes ding ding, and he comes down just about that, just press clear and it goes off and you look at it later. Or there's a nuisance like when pop-ups. I got an email by it. What's that problem? You look. 2 new messages on Yahoo, Facebook, Don.
We'll try and get all the Kevin. We'll be back with you shortly.
Zello available, all I know what I'm fucking on it now.
Okay, we're back with you now. We've got all the Kevin. Okay, give him a shout. MW3 IQE.
I do. My scripts was opening it. I wasn't in. Was there opening my scripts when he was calling it, was that?
Have you got me, Steve? You come back to me there now, Steve. You yourself coming back to you, obviously. But yeah, got you clear, Steve. You talk there now. You yourself. I'm am I on? Yeah, I'm on power, but it makes no difference. You don't know how to scare me at you,
Yeah, Kev, try to run all still on the Zello and let you enjoy that because it's both coming through the phone. Double audio, like you're not from the radio and the video. It's all in conjunction for some reason, it's doubling it. Okay, MW3 IQE. Do you want to try 2 meters there? Yeah, well, I got you on the video there for no problem on 400. You want to try 2 meters? It's, yeah, it might be okay this time now. I've got the antenna, proper one. I've yet to film it, but I will be shortly.
Yep, what want to try next?
145 525 there, over. MW3 IQE from M6 STL, cool. MW3 IQE from M6 STL, cool.
Right, that's me transmitting out. 145525. Can you hear me down there, Chris?
Don't look, no, nothing on 2 meters. Okay, we'll go back to 433-400.
Yeah, can you hear me transmitting? Hello. 123525.
Yeah, we'll go back to 433-400 and we'll try some repeaters shortly. Catch you in a bit. Okay, we're back again. It's about 10 past midnight now. We got here about 11:30. 10 past midnight. As I said, I'd show you the antenna there outside, how I've done it. It's not professional, but it done the trick for now. I don't want to drop my phone because it's quite high up here, like. Yeah, there's the antenna. There's the tip there. What I did, I hooked it, look, into the middle section, the open coil. So I lanyard it from the centre cord to the hook. That way screwed into the wood, look. There's the coax down there, obviously. Straight plugged into the bottom. That's the Nagoya NL770H. And we're about at least 15 foot off the ground here. So that's how high the antenna is off the ground, roughly. On the coast of Portishead, straight across the Severn there. Yeah, so there you go, there's the antenna. Excellent stuff, okay. Okay, so we'll try 446 now with Kevin. Channel number 7, 446. Let's see if we can get him on that. He's 30 miles away, bear in mind. 30 miles away, line of sight in Abercunnan. So, yeah, let's give it a go. Back in a bit. Right, unfortunately we couldn't get nothing on Kevin on 446 this time. Same as before with the telescopic, no joy. That's just the way it is, I suppose. We've still got a radio set up. We'll come back and test some repeaters in a minute or something like that. But one thing I wanted to show you that I couldn't show you before, because we bought some fairy lights, well, Christmas tree lights, powered by 3 AA batteries. Yeah, this torch coming from the phone lights this place up pretty bright. But wait till you see this. We couldn't use these, unfortunately, because they're too bright. We don't want to give this place away, like, and what I'm doing. So we kept them switched off, but we'll switch them on just for the sake of the video to show you how bright they are. Here we go. Mega bright. Obviously it's not going to show as much as it would do, because I've got my standard torch on, but believe me, it lights up this place something chronic. Due to the door, don't want to expose it too much. Switch them off. Yeah, we brought those just in case. Drawing pin over there. So yeah, back in a minute with some coverage of the repeaters. Catch you shortly. Here we are, back on the scene again. Gonna check some repeaters now from this location, which is almost sea level, 10 feet ASL, this bird eyed. So I'm going to try GB3WR. M6 STL, checking access, WR. Yep, no problem. Full scale, I think that was. Turn it up a bit. Okay, we'll try now GB3 Alpha Alpha. M6 STL, checking access, Alpha Alpha. All good. Let's try, that's Gloucester that is, 725. M6 STL, checking access, CG. Nope. Nothing on that one. Next one to try. Oh, that's GB3BC, but that's switched off at the moment. There we go. Sams now. GB3ZB. M6 STL, checking access, ZB. Lovely jubbly. This one's BS, GB3 Bravo Sierra, it's near Bath. Give it a go. M6 STL, checking access, GB3 BS. No problem. Next one, that's MG, but that's also switched off. There we go. Cambran repeater, GB3 RT. M6 STL, checking access, GB3 RT. Yeah. Easy. That one there is the Swindon repeater. Swindon, eh? Quite far, mine. M6 STL, checking access. Not sure what the call sign is, but checking access. Bloody forgot that one. There we go. 433-100 is Bath. M6 STL, checking access UB. Oh yeah, it's alright, isn't it? Getting into Bath from here, like. And I think that's the final one, that one. That's GB3 WB, Sams in Western Supermare. M6 STL, checking access, GB3 WB. Well, there you go. Excellent. Well, that was DX Expedition number 4. Managed to contact Kevin, MW3IQE, on 433-400, signal 6 to 7, same as telescopic. So no difference on the signal this time, but we've definitely got a difference on the signals into the repeaters. So that was great, we checked those, and it's definite improvement. So overall, we're happy with the expedition now. We made it fully prepped, sorted the door, the antenna, the screws, everything else there. Yep, I got cut off there right at the end. But yeah, thanks to Kevin, MW3IQE, and John, 2 Whiskey 0 DYC. Fortunately, we didn't have Chris tonight, but I'm sure we'll catch him again on another expedition. But yeah, thanks all. we'll be on number 5, which will be a different place next time, DX Expedition number 5. Got a few places in mind, but we'll get back to on that one. Sent me free all, and thanks for watching.